What's up, guys? How you doing? Welcome back to the channel. So this is gonna be my last mission knife for the month. Reason being, I have my giveaway announcement on Monday at 2 p.m. Don't forget the comments close at 2 p.m. on Sunday. So if you don't get a comment in before that, you're SOL. So hurry up and get one in for a chance to win the stuff. Sunday, I'll also release my end of the month roundup. So yeah, that's why this is gonna be my last mission knife. One other thing, if you guys are ever hunting around the interwebs, Amazon, whatever the hell, and you find a knife company I haven't put on the channel and you think I might not own it, drop me a link via Instagram, email, comments here, doesn't matter, because I can use all the help I can get. This is your guys' mission as much as mine. It's your channel, it's my channel. We're having fun together. So yeah, just leave me a comment with a link and I'll check it out. If I don't own one already, I'll let you know and we'll get it on the channel. So your suggestions are definitely welcome. And reason I bring that up, Dana, a good friend of mine in the comments, he dropped me a link on Instagram for this thing, and I think it was on sale. It was originally like 61.9. Let me look at it real quick before I make a mistake. Yeah, 61.99 originally, dropped down to 41.99, I believe, and then now it's 29.99. So this is a. Oh, by the way, this is the what is it called? The HiLine XL, and it's the 263 HiLine XL knife from Buck. Anyway, yeah. So if you guys like this thing right now, as of the recording of this video, which is like early evening on Thursday, it's still on sale, so it might be something for you. Anyway, yeah, so Dana suggested this. I clicked on the thing. I bought it. It's here. So yeah, definitely. If you guys want to see a knife on the channel, drop me a link, man, and I'll do my best to pick it up as long as it's within the parameters of the mission. All right, let's check this thing out. I'm talking way too freaking much, but yeah, like I said, if you haven't entered for this giveaway, do it. Get in there. I want to make sure everybody has a chance. But yeah, wow, that is a big freaking knife. Look at the size of this dang thing. So real quick before I even open it up, micarta inlays. You got looks like copper, but it's actually anodized aluminum to look like copper, which is good. I mean, if you don't like patina and all that stuff and smell of copper, you're good to go, and makes it a little lighter. Let's open this thing up. Okie dokie, Smokey. That is badass. Way better than the pictures for sure. The pictures look kind of funky, but you're looking at, let's look at the specs on the blade real quick. So 3 point, what is it again? Let me pull the specs up. We got 3.81 on the blade. Doesn't have an overall. 4.5 ounces D2 blade. This is one of the ones made in China because it's more the budget line. It's not made in the US, but so far the build quality is looking nice. So yeah, let's look at the blade real quick. Stonewash finish, hollow grind. Let's look at the front of that thing. Oh, 3D. Yes, definitely a hollow grind on that thing, which I love. Sheep's foot blade. And oh my goodness, look at all the jimping on this thing, dude. That is nuts. So much freaking jimping. Ergo check. Yep. Yeah, so you can be anywhere on the spine all the way to halfway up, and you've got just jimping all day, all the way back into it. So no matter how you hold it, you're going to have some thumb on jimping action. Very cool. Check that sharpness. Thank you, Dana, for suggesting this. I'm geeking out for some reason. This is cool, man. It's just I haven't had a buck knife since I'm a kid, and like if I didn't, yeah, it's just like so. It's yeah, it's a mission knife. I owned one at a time, but this is definitely a mission knife. And I don't know why I haven't looked at buck in such a long time. This is really nice. Anyway, even got jimping on the front, which is off the flipper. Let's see that. Ooh. Oh yeah, by the way, it's solid as a rock. Very good action, open and close. It's only got the flipper, but that's just fine. It swings out there, dude. Like, wow. Very cool. I'm definitely digging this so far. Yeah, sharp, no wiggles, great action. Oh, that's awesome. So let's take a look at the rest of it, the fit and finish and all that good stuff. So you got the little buck emblem there. The micarta feels great. It's even got a little fade to it, so if you can oil it up, you can darken it up if you want. Really cool looking. The jimping on the flipper is amazing. It's even got the little divot there, so when you bring it down, your finger kind of slides in there so it doesn't hit the edge of the scale, not scales, a liner. But yeah, reversible, flush, flush, flush. Everything's flush. Got your lanyard hole. I'm getting better with the reversible, apparently. Well, you know what? It's because I didn't pick it out. It's because Dana picked it up. Yeah, very thick liner. You can see the scales there. Very good looking knife for sure. Let's feel that clip. We can do a pocket check on the clip real quick. Very, very nice clip. Very deep carry. You might stick out just about 1/8 of an inch, if that. Just enough for your lanyard hold, which is perfect because if you have a lanyard on there, that's going to stick out of your pocket just where the lanyard is. Great design, dude. I don't know why I haven't messed with buck in so long, dude. Maybe because my dad yelled at me when I lost it. I don't know. Centered up real nice. This is a winner for sure. Um, I would jump on Buck right now for $29.99. This is a beast of a knife, and it's really, really cool looking. The action's great. Everything about it is great. Um, yeah, jump on the opportunity before it goes away. I don't know if it's like going away for good or something like that, and that's why they're dropping the price. But let's do a size comparison with. Let's just throw the monthly knife club knife, which is also a big knife, but you can see he's got them beat on both sides. Let's go butt to butt and just it hangs over a good amount. Um, yeah, great ergos, just great design, cool looking. I think buck knives I always just thought were so traditional looking for the most part. I just steered away from them, but this is awesome. Dana, thank you so much for recommending this. This is going to be in my collection. I like it a lot. Yeah, so like I said, if you guys want to drop any suggestions in the comments or on Instagram, whatever, let me know. I do have a couple there have been recommended that I have in the queue set up already. So yeah, let's make this a thing. You guys help me out. I'll make videos. It'll be a great thing. So thank you all for watching. This buck knife is awesome. Thank you all my brethren, brothers, and sisters, all you active duty military guys and girls. Be safe, keep your heads down. I'll see you guys in the next video, which will be the giveaway video, or actually, I'm sorry, will be the end of the month roundup, and then the giveaway video. Get your comments in the giveaway video. Talk to you all later.